Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
The Thorny Bush. A moral story: never blame others for your mistakes. A hungry fox was chasing a dog. The dog ran faster than the fox and jumped the hedge. The fox wanted to continue chasing the dog, but he was now tired and could barely jump. The fox looked for ways to go around the hedge but could not find anything. He decided to climb over the hedge. While climbing, he held on to a thorny bush to prevent himself from falling. But in turn, he got scratched and began to bleed. He lay down on the thorny bush in pain. The dog was nowhere in sight. The angry fox yelled, "Oh! You are a mean thorny bush. I held on to you for support and you hurt me instead. And because of you, my prey also ran away." The bush replied, "I have so many thorns. How could you expect me to support you but not hurt you?" The fox learned his lesson.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.